Luxembourg.
So the only reason we knew we were in Luxembourg is because this thing comes up and tells you welcome to Luxembourg. It's too late now, it's gone away, but yeah, it's the only reason we know. So now we're in Luxembourg, heading across to Germany where we're going to have coffee.
Coffee in Germany, lunch in Luxembourg, a break in Belgium before we finish in France.
Exactly.
4 countries in one day.
4.
That's our goal. Let's see if we can do it.
Yeah.
All right, now we're crossing the Moselle.
Now
Here
we're
we go.
crossing the Moselle,
Right.
and this is the border. So
This is
After 1 kilometre, exit the highway.
welcome to Deutschland.
419 Tonspell.
Just crossed into Deutschland.
hello Germany. Right.
Guten Tag.
Oh, talk left.
Go look there. That's the sign. Have a look there. No, yeah. We're going that way. Just actually did 3 countries in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
After 300
France,
metres, turn left and roundabout.
Luxembourg and
taking the
Germany.
second exit
20 minutes.
onto
That's
Triebenstrasse.
crazy, isn't it?
I think I need a coffee.
Alright, that was Germany. What did we do? We had coffee in Germany.
We had Campervan cooking.
Cafe and cooking in Germany.
Yeah, we had a little.
And we had a bit of a wander around the supermarkets, didn't we? And we bought some German beer, of course. And here we go back across the border, back into Luxembourg, where we're going to go and visit a mining museum and railway. And lunch in Luxembourg, really. So it was a bit of fun on a rainy day to do something different, visit a few countries. Font du Gras. It's a mining museum in Luxembourg. Here comes the train.
Oh, and 1 kilometre will be in Belgium, apparently. We're
We're in
in.
Belgium, and we're going to have a beer in Belgium. Cheers, Belgium.
We couldn't quite find a bar, so we're having a beer in Belgium in the van. There's still a beer in Belgium.
Even if it is German beer.
It's a German beer. Nice.
Oh no, Polish beer.
Oh, you bought Polish beer in Germany and we're drinking it in Belgium. Nice.
Cheers, Belgium.
Cheers, Belgium.
Oh, good beer.
So we're coming up to the place where France, Luxembourg and Belgium meet. So we can have a foot in each foot and 2 feet in a hand in each country.
Right, we come up to a very special spot. We're going to cross the border, 3 countries in one go, or be in 3 countries at one go. This inauspicious little spike marks the border between Luxembourg, Belgium and France. Since 1843 apparently. It's right there, 1843.
Number 1.
So, we're in 3 countries at one time. Hold on. We're in 3 countries at one time.
Ow!
Hold on, 1 foot there, 1 foot there, 1 hand there. And I got caught up on blackberries. Oh.
Being scratched.
Okay,
Right.
right. Claire is in 3 countries. 1 foot there, 1 foot in that country, and 1 hand over there. And you're in. There you go. In three countries at one time. Has anyone ever done that before? It's pretty cool to be 3 countries at one time.
It should be a thing. And
It's
it
a bit
shouldn't
strange.
be
We had to
hidden away
really
in the bush.
find this. It's hidden away in a very secluded spot that you would not know it's here. Behind a factory. That's Luxembourg over there. That's Belgium there, and France is just there.
It's ridiculous.
It's
Anyway, we think it's important.
Yeah, we did it.
I think it's pretty good.
We think it's pretty cool, and they should make a little thing of it,
Yeah.
other than that little hidden. Three countries at the same time, and 4 countries in one day. It's a pretty good day today.
Here we are in front